Hello everyone, welcome to Code King. In this video, I will be solving problem A, beat the odds. First, I will briefly explain you what the problem says, and then we will move on to the approach and code to solve it. So let's first understand what the problem is. We have given a sequence of n elements a1, a2 to an, and we need to find the minimum number of elements to remove from the sequence such that after removal the sum of every two consecutive elements is even. What does it mean? That after removing some elements from this sequence, we got a sequence such that the sum of every two consecutive elements will be even. So let's say we got the final sequence as ai, aj, ak, al. So this is the final sequence we obtained after removing some elements. So the sum of its consecutive elements should be even. So ai plus aj should be even. So when will be it even? So it will be even only if these two elements are either odd or the either even, like 2 plus 4, 6, or 1 plus 3, 4. So these two consecutive elements should be either odd or either even. Similarly, we can say that if aj is odd, then ak should also be odd. If aj is even, then ak should also be even. Similarly, the whole sequence should be either even or either odd. Okay, so the whole sequence after removing the elements, either they are odd or even. Let's take like for example, we take a sequence like 2, 4, 3, 7 and 8. Okay, so we have a sequence like 2, 4, 3, 7 and 8. So 2 and 4 are even, 3 is not even number, so we will remove this. 7 is also an odd number, so we also remove this. So we got 3 elements at last, and these are 2, 4 and 8. So 2 and 4 will be 6, 4 and 8 will be 12. So we can either remove all even numbers, or we can either remove all odd numbers. So we need to remove minimum number of elements. So first we need to calculate uh, odd numbers are even, or minimum, or even numbers are minimum. So whichever the minimum, we will remove those elements. Like in the sequence, the number of even elements are 3 and odd numbers are 2. So we remove the odd numbers. Similarly, let's take one more example like 1, 2, 4, 3, 5 and 7. So in this sequence, the number of odd numbers are 1, 2, 3 and 4. 4 odd and 2 and 4 are even. So 2 odd. Oh, sorry, 2 even. Then we will remove these two numbers, 2 and 4. So we got our sequence 1, 3, 5, 7. So let's see what its code is. This is the code for this problem. We are taking the inputs in an array of n elements, and if the element is odd, we are doing odd plus plus, and else even plus plus, and at last we are printing the minimum out of these two. If odd is minimum, then we will remove odd numbers. If even is minimum, then we will remove even numbers. I have also attached this code in description. Please have a look. Thank you.